This is the Rhondda, a proud community, if not a battered community. I am a product of these valley communities, and I'm proud to be able to say that I'm from the Rhondda. These communities here in the Rhondda were built on the coal industry. We no longer have that coal industry, of course, and sadly no other industry replaced it either. And now, in the wake of the crisis in the steel industry, people in these communities are feeling the pain of those steel workers and their families. There's no doubt that at the moment the communities here in the Rhondda need some support. They need a bit of help. Now is their hour of need.
I miss the swimming pools that they've taken out. It's a shame they took that out, and the libraries, of course. The libraries are very important. And I think, you know, they need to put it back.
Okay, what I have to say to Leanne really is that we want to get the valleys up here back on its feet again. Without everything closing down, we're already losing the libraries and the banks. It'd be nice if the camping standing up to the valleys. Yeah, so hopefully I'm hoping for a lot of change from Leanne Wood and hopefully have a successful valleys again.
The people in these communities have gone through so much in the past, but they've got so much to contribute to the future. We can be great again, but not if we continue to do things as we always have. For far too long, people in these valleys have given their loyalty, a lifetime of loyalty, to one party. How has that loyalty been repaid? In many cases it hasn't. It's time for change. Plaid Cymru is the change the Rhondda needs. I got involved in politics because I believe in the power of the collective. If enough people care about something enough and they get together, then they can change it. And I believe under those circumstances, anything is possible.
After 40 years of voting Labour, what good has it done me?
I will definitely be voting for Leanne Wood and Plaid Cymru.
Vote for Leanne Wood, Plaid Cymru. Mae'n amser newid, fi'n pleidleisio I Leanne.
I think it's time for change. I'm going to vote for Leanne because, yeah, it's going to be all good, really good.
The reason that I am voting Plaid Cymru, after voting Labour all my life, is that I think that there is need for change, and I think that Leanne is the right person to make this change. And Leanne is definitely not into politics for the money, because she has refused to accept the pay rise that's been offered. I'd just like to wish you, Leanne, all the best for the 5th of May.
I think it's definitely time for a change, so I'll be voting Leanne Wood, Plaid Cymru.
And I wish you all the best in changing the lives of everyone in Wales for the better.
Well, more of the same. It isn't an option. I'm voting for Leanne.
We're now going to vote for Leanne Wood of Plaid Cymru.
So if you want change, then vote for it.
You go get 'em, girl.
I love the Rhondda. These communities have given me so much.